Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you the tutorial on how to use the Google Slide. Google Slide is one of the part of the Google family. Google has so many types. There are so many components like Google Document, Google Classroom, and Google Form. But today I will share with you on how to use Google Slides. So in this website you will have a choice. It is photo album, wedding, portfolio, but here I will choose the blank one. So these are the themes that offered in the Google Slides, but in this video I will use this one. Same as a PowerPoint, Google Slide also have the same features like PowerPoint. For instance, the background, the layout, the themes, the transition, same as like the PowerPoint. So PowerPoint and also Google Slide has a almost similar features. However, the difference between Google Slide and PowerPoint is in terms of the accessibility. For Google Slide, we can view anything from the Google Slide everywhere anyway, because the data that used in the Google Slide is based on the cloud storage, while for the PowerPoint it is on our devices. This Google Slide also have undo, redo, view, insert for image, audio, video. We can also use the Drive to store our Google Slide. Like I said before, that the Google Slide use the cloud storage, which is make us more easier to access the data. We can also change our view while doing this Google Slide. This is the first one, and then this is the second one. So it's actually depending on yourself which one you want to use, which one you feel more comfortable. You can also add any slide you want by clicking the plus symbol, the addition symbol, and then your slide will be added into the new one. If you have anything to ask, if you have anything that in your mind, you can just comment down below my video. Thank you for watching.